Hello, today's presentation is going to cover intentional design for engagement, and we're going to explore how the station rotation model can foster active and personalized digital learning experiences. Okay, so first let's talk about why engagement matters. Today's digital learners stay focused when learning is structured, active, and varied. So instead of talking at students for long stretches, intentional design helps us create short, meaningful touch points that keep their attention and participation alive. Engagement is no longer optional for successful digital instruction, it's a fundamental requirement for today's learners. So what is station rotation? Well, it breaks a large class into small, purposeful learning communities, and by rotating through different tasks, such as online, teacher-led, collaborative, and independent, students get movement, they get variety, and engagement built right into the structure. So it falls under like a blended learning model. We have flexible structure, there's different stations, and we're all by keeping students alert and engaged. And let's talk about what it looks like in real time. So, in real time, students will rotate through 4 stations with clear, predictable tasks, and that rhythm keeps them alert and gives them a chance to see their thinking up close while the rest of the class continues learning without losing momentum. It also gives the teacher an opportunity to observe and see the levels of understanding, who's mastering the content, who may be struggling, who might need to revisit the material. And then we have how we can design these effective digital stations, such as intentional design principles. Each station is intentionally designed with a specific objective. We have chunked content. We have predictable routines so students know exactly what to do and how to move, which reduces confusion and maximizes focused learning. Also, we like to incorporate multimodal tools, which include a variety of formats like videos, there's annotation on paper, there's audio, we have shared collaborative spaces like Jamboards or shared docs, and then grouping strategically. That's really key. You're able to then group students by skill level, mixed strengths, or maybe collaboration needs. And also, like sometimes you want to make it fun, so you can group students by who they choose to work and partner with. It also establishes routines so students can have predictable structures as they can just be confident and comfortable with expectations for each station. When we flip key pieces of the lesson, just when we're thinking of flipped learning, students show up ready, and instead of delivering basic content, I can use my small group time to go deeper, personalize instruction, and really connect with students in a way that whole group teaching doesn't allow. What does it look like in the future? Like if we're looking ahead, well, we're preparing for next gen learners. Digital learners, they expect autonomy, interactivity, and thoughtful pacing. We're able to scale engagement. We evolve with the technology, right? So learning it becomes personalized efficiently through like different learning management systems. We have adaptive tech and also of course AI, and we can shift to active student-centered models, and this offers a pathway toward deeper engagement and better support for diverse student needs. The future of digital learning, it's active, it's student-centered, it's model-driven rather than lecture-driven. Station rotation offers a sustainable pathway toward deeper engagement and better support for diverse student needs. Thank you so much for sticking around for this presentation.